This video is for educational purposes only and strategies that I use in my personal portfolio. Nothing in this video guarantees profits or future performance. I invested early in NVIDIA and Tesla. Fast forward a few years down the road, and I invested early yet again in PALANTIR and Navitas. I saw the AI wave coming, and I've done extremely well. And I've made a lot of money off of those investments, and I still own most of them today. But I believe that what I'm about to tell you now is going to be even bigger. I really want you to open your eyes to this massive wave parallel to the AI initiative. And it is early enough for you to get into this right now. You don't want to miss out on this. In this video, I'm going to share everything with you and give you a top 3 pure play picks in this space from stock investing standpoint. I'm also going to give you a much broader view of how you can invest in this to have some highly explosive speculative plays, but also how to mix in some diversification to protect your capital and reduce your overall risk. We're entering the era of quantum supremacy, and if you know exactly where to deploy your capital before the hype machine takes over, you can position yourself to capture the kind of returns most people only dream of. Look at the macro landscape. The market is pushing into all-time highs, yet forward-looking PE ratios across tech are actually dropping. The market is getting cheaper while prices go up because corporate earnings are completely exploding from AI integration. However, standard silicon microchip infrastructure is hitting a physical bottleneck. Tech giants know they need a monumental leap in raw processing power to survive, and the leap is quantum computing. Mainstream media isn't talking about this yet, which is your competitive advantage. By the time retail investors wake up to this narrative in a few years, the multi-bagger gains will already be locked in by the people who position themselves today, and that could be you. Before I break down these exact tickers and rank the companies from third to first, I have a massive announcement for you guys this Saturday, May 30th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. My free masterclass webinar returns. I will be pulling back the curtain and teaching the exact proprietary technical analysis, dark pool data tracking, and hedge fund liquidity strategies that I teach daily in my private Discord. These are the exact same strategies I used to scale my $900 portfolio to over $8,000 in just over a year, and in the same time frame, I took my $250,000 portfolio to $1.7 million. I'm even going to put it right there on my screen and show you exactly how I pocketed $95,000 on Oracle in a few single trades over 6 weeks using the exact precise frameworks. This isn't just about my success, it's about the consistent gains my students are locking in every single day. As you guys can see right there, every single trader who has attended my webinars told me they've learned more applicable game-changing market mechanics in that 1 hour they spent with me than they learned anywhere else. I have a massive announcement and an exclusive wealth-building opportunity dropping this Saturday that I've never done before. You do not want to miss out on that. Spots are highly limited and I fill up very quickly. The link to register is below. I'll be hosting a Q&A and hanging out with you guys and looking at the charts afterwards. The link to get registered again is below. Secure your spot right now. This year is likely going to be a very strong year, and next year too. You do not want to miss out on this. To understand why quantum computing is an absolute necessity, you have to look at the physical limitations of current technology. Trading computers, from the phone in your hands to the multi-billion-dollar AI data centers owned by NVIDIA, process information using bits. A bit is binary, can only exist as a 0 or a 1. Quantum computing throws that limitation completely out the window by utilizing quantum mechanics, specifically principles known as superposition and entanglement. Instead of standard bits, quantum systems run on qubits. A qubit can exist as a 0, a 1, or both simultaneously. This allows quantum computers to process vast, multidimensional calculations in seconds that would literally take traditional supercomputers years to compute. This isn't just a faster microchip, it's a fundamental rewrite of human computational capability. It is the future of molecular modeling, cryptography, global logistics, and training next-generation sentient AI models. The recent news and mainstream headlines confirm that the global race for quantum supremacy has officially accelerated. Governments and massive multinational defense agencies are aggressively pouring capital into public and private partnerships. The major media narratives are suddenly shifting, warning about Q-Day, the exact point in time where quantum computers become powerful enough to instantly crack every traditional cybersecurity encryption on Earth. Because of this urgent national security risk, we are seeing massive cash injections from the U.S. Space Development Agency and global defense sectors. And the last quantum stock video I made, Donald Trump announced massive injection of capital into quantum the very next day. The infrastructure is scaling significantly right now, and tech giants are scrambling to integrate quantum processing units directly into their cloud architectures. The foundation is set, the validation is real, and smart money is establishing its floor. Before I break down the specific equity positions, remember, no more than 5 to 10% of your portfolio in any one stock, and be sure to do your due diligence and be safe, as there's no guarantees in this market. It's very volatile. Protect your capital and make sure that the stocks that I'm talking about fit your personal needs and investing goals. Be safe out there because the market is very risky. So let's kick things off and talk about these 3 stocks that I don't think you want to miss out on, that are very likely to do well in the coming 1 to 3 years, and beyond that are going to be accelerating. The number 3 stock to potentially add to your portfolio is quantum computing, QUBT. Quantum computing focuses on a highly specialized approach to the sector by developing innovative commercial-ready quantum optimization and cybersecurity software tools alongside unique photonic quantum hardware. Unlike competitors trying to build massive fragile machines that require near absolute zero cooling systems, QCI's flagship product suite includes Catalyst, which allows developers to run quantum-ready applications on conventional computers via the cloud. By positioning themselves as a nimble quantum-inspired optimization and optical sensing provider under their current leadership team, they bypass the immense capital expenditures required to build massive hardware frames, targeting immediate real-world business applications in cybersecurity, logistics, and government defense testing. And financially, QCI operates as a lean, emerging player in this space, but their Q1 2026 earnings report showcased an extraordinary operational pivot. The company reported a massive jump in quarterly revenue to $3.69 million, completely obliterating the $39,000 reported in Q1 of the previous year and beating analyst estimates of $3.13 million. QCI recently beat analyst expectations by posting an actual EPS loss of just 2 cents against the projected 5-cent loss that analysts expected. At the close of the quarter, the company significantly fortified its balance sheet, boasting $1.4 billion in total cash equivalents, and short-term investments, followed by 2 key strategic acquisitions designed to accelerate their product roadmap. Now, while they do carry a modest debt profile of approximately $1.81 million, their low capital burn rate and software-heavy margins position them beautifully for commercial expansion. So we'll level out the playing field in time here with this. From a technical perspective, quantum computing, QUBT, currently commands an outperform rating from covering analysts, hovering near a market capitalization of $2.77 billion. And as of late May 2026, the stock has recently broken back above its critical 200-day moving average, trading actively at or above $12 to $13 range. And this is creating a highly technical capitulation and support floor around the $11.50 to $11.75 range as institutional buyers step in. Wall Street sentiment is turning rapidly bullish, with an immediate consensus short-term target of $17.34. For the medium-term 3 to 5 year window, top-tier analyst price targets forecast the stock to reach into the $18 to $28 range as their photonic software stack integrates into enterprise workflows. For the long-term, 5+ years out, the macro horizon, so to speak, if their specialized cloud optimization layers become industry standard, advanced retail projections target an ultimate upside potential stretching well past $65 to $85 a share. The number 2 quantum computing stock to potentially add to your portfolio is Rigetti. Rigetti Computing is a pure-play powerhouse operating out of Berkeley, California, that designs and fabricates its very own quantum integrated circuits. What makes Rigetti fundamentally better than the vast majority of the market is their world-class vertical integration. They own the entire stack, from the chip design to manufacturing to cloud delivery. They have achieved massive technical validation under their executive leadership with the commercial launch of their multi-chip architecture, including Cepheus 1108Q system, which pushes the boundaries of qubit scaling while maintaining an exceptional 99.5% medium 2-qubit gate fidelity. By integrating their hardware directly into existing public clouds like Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, Rigetti has built an accessible ecosystem for enterprise and government clients who need an immediate, high-performance quantum processing unit, QPUs. Rigetti's Q1 2026 earnings report delivered in May showcased an absolute explosion in top-line commercial growth. The company reported a steady staggering 193% year-over-year revenue surge to $4.4 billion, handily beating Wall Street consensus estimates of $4.13 million. This massive revenue beat was primarily fueled by the physical deliveries of their Novera QPUs and escalating international government system contracts, including an $8.4 million system for the CDAC. While the company recorded an operational loss of $26 million due to heavy R&D scaling, their bottom line GAAP net income flipped to a positive $33.1 million, driven by non-cash derivative warrant adjustments matching EPS expectations perfectly at negative 4-cent loss. Most importantly, Rigetti boasts an incredible bulletproof balance sheet, holding a robust $569 million in cash and short-term U.S. Treasury investments with absolutely zero outstanding debt, giving them an assimilable operational runway to fund their next massive 1,000 plus qubit systems in the UK. Looking at the technicals and valuation, Rigetti sits at a market capitalization of approximately $5.42 billion, with the stock trading firmly in the $26 to $28 range after an epic 50.9% institutional breakout surge in May. This breakout has established the $18 to $22 range as a highly defended ironclad capitulation floor for the bulls. Wall Street sentiment is overwhelmingly bullish with a strong consensus buy rating. Analysts have established an average intermediate 12-month price target of $28 to $35, which the market is now aggressively chasing down hard. For the 3 to 5 year window, analysts maintain an average price of $40 to $60 as their 1,000 plus qubit systems hit the market. For the long-term 5 to 10 year outlook, if Rigetti cements its spot as the dominant hardware provider for cloud ecosystems, top-tier targets point to a massive valuation expansion targeting over $120 to $160 per share. Before I reveal the undisputed number one quantum stock on our list, the absolute crown jewel, putting up numbers that are shattering Wall Street's expectations, remember that seats for my free masterclass webinar this Saturday, May 30th, 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific, are filling up rapidly. If you want to stop chasing green candles and instead master the exact proprietary dark pool tracking, technical analysis, and institutional liquidity strategies that allowed me to print $95,000 on Oracle here in just 6 weeks and grow my $900 micro challenge account from $900 to over $8,000, as well as my $250,000 portfolio to over $1.7 million, as you guys can see right there in just 1 year. If you want to learn the strategies that I use to scale my portfolios like this and help my students in Discord the exact same way, and you want to make the profits that you're seeing on the screen right now, you need to click the link in the description below and register and secure your spot for my masterclass webinar this Saturday, May 30th. The number one quantum computing stock to potentially add to your portfolio is none other than the undisputed crowning king of pure play quantum computing and the sector, IonQ. What sets IonQ completely apart and makes them vastly superior to every competitor on the planet is their proprietary trapped ion technology. While other companies use superconducting circuits that require massive, hyper-expensive dilution refrigerators to keep their chips cooled to temperatures colder than deep space, IonQ uses individualized trapped atoms suspended in a vacuum at near room temperature. This approach delivers unparalleled qubit stability, longer coherence times, and an industry-leading 99.99% 2-qubit gate fidelity. IonQ completely won the clubhouse under the brilliant execution of CEO Niccolo de Masi, establishing deep commercial partnerships with Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Alphabet, and the U.S. Air Force, making their advanced tempo systems the most highly demanded quantum hardware in the world. Financially, IonQ just delivered a quarterly report for Q1 2026 that completely stunned the entire financial world. IonQ reported a historic record-breaking GAAP revenue of $64.7 million for the single quarter, representing a mind-boggling 755% year-over-year growth rate compared to the $7.6 million reported in the same period last year. This monumental performance beat the absolute highest Wall Street estimates by 30%. Driven by massive commercial system sales and cloud utilization, management aggressively raised their full year 2026 revenue guidance to a range of $260 million to $270 million. Even more incredible is IonQ's backlog and remaining performance obligations, their RPO, which skyrocketed by 554% year over year to a record high $470 million. The company is backed by a massive liquidity mountain, holding a staggering $3.8 $3.1 billion in cash, cash equivalents, and available for sale investments against a tiny, negligible total debt profile of just $30.4 million. From a market perspective, IonQ commands a powerful dominant market capitalization of $23.75 billion, followed by an explosive late May trading session. The stock rocketed following an explosive late May trading session where the stock skyrocketed 37.7%. It currently is trading at a powerful high of $63.64 or higher. This massive surge of institutional accumulation has established the $48 to $52 mark as the new macro of capitulation support floor. Wall Street consensus sits at an overwhelmingly strong buy. The immediate 1 to 3 year average consensus price target has been adjusted up to $75 to $85. The immediate 1 to 3 year average consensus price target has been adjusted to $90 to $120. Several individual analysts like Rosenblatt placing targets as high as $100 to $120. Looking out to the 3 to 5 year window, top tier institutional analysts have modeled price targets stretching between $110 and $155 per share as their systems achieve full commercial integration. For the long term, 5+ year macro horizon as quantum computing scales into a multi-billion enterprise reality, advanced retail and institutional targets project IonQ expanding into a multi-bagger giant with price targets well north of $300 to $400 per share. The financial data, the structural macro shift, and the massive revenue accelerating numbers make one thing absolutely undeniable. The quantum computing revolution is no longer a futuristic concept. It is actively happening right now, just like the early days of the internet, mobile smartphones, and the initial AI wave that sent stocks like NVIDIA and PALANTIR to the stratosphere. The investors who have the vision to position their capital before the rest of the world wakes up are the ones who will write history. You have the raw facts, you have the exact ticker symbols, and the precise financial metrics right in front of you. The choice is entirely yours, whether you want to be a passive spectator watching from the sidelines or take control of your financial destiny and execute with precision and ride the massive technological wave to the ultimate generational wealth. Lock in your edge, secure your positions, and let's win together. And I will see all of you in the webinar this Saturday and the Discord real soon. Take care of yourselves. One love, fam.